Ultimately, most service providers are services companies. While we do see successful product resale or value-added resellers in the market, most companies are a majority services companies that happen to pull through hardware and software. One of the most important areas of maturity is really diving into how you manage, attract, and retain top technical talent that deliver on your most complete solution offerings. One more interesting and growing area is understanding that you don't have to hire it all and do it all. Strategically partnering with some well-established, specific services companies can really help manage your total utilization more effectively without burning out your staff. Like you learned in earlier sections, it's important to know the math of your business. Your service factory cannot be left out of that discussion. It's easy to see how you need to operate the math of a sales team, but when it comes to your margins, nothing ends up being more important than how you pay your technical staff, how you hold them accountable to utilization, and customer satisfaction all at the same time. The difference in your business profitability when you're running at 60% utilization versus 85% utilization is huge. It is often hundreds, if not thousands or tens of thousands more hours being billed at the right rates. This section will also dive into the math of your service desk operations. When building services and managed services, having a properly set up and KPI'd service desk really does make the difference. Your call and support team is the front line to a lot of your customer interactions. That going well or not is a leading indicator for customer satisfaction, whether you insource or outsource. Finally, this section will cover some best practices in project management, as well as upskilling and investing in your staff. All important elements of a well-functioning services factory. Why the word factory? Because a factory repeatedly rolls off the line a consistent and great product. In services, it's easy to feel like everything is unique, but at the end of the day, your company produces a single value proposition: IT that securely works every day. So it's important to constantly ask if what you're doing scales. I hope you enjoy the commentary and challenges around building a repeatable services factory in your business.